Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a rib volcano with mac and cheese and bacon. And I also added in a strawberry daiquiri pina colada mixed with dusse. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. So right here, I already peeled the membrane off of the rib, and now I'm just patting it dry, like to get all of the water and stuff off after I had rinsed it off from all of the, it wasn't that much blood, but it was a little on there. Next, I'm going to put some olive oil on my rib. Some people use mustard, but I don't, so I just put a little olive oil on there. Next, I'm just spreading around the olive oil, making sure it gets all inside of the rib. And then I'm going to add all of my seasonings. Now with the rib, what I was told was that you gotta really pack a lot of seasoning on of a rib. But I honestly feel like you don't have to put that much. But in this video, you did see me add a lot. But next time, I probably won't add too much seasoning. You don't really need that much, but you do need a lot because it is a big rib. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm just adding some pepper right here, and I'm going to do it to both sides. And then I'm adding salt, and then I'm going to add some adobe, I don't know if I said that right, Goya, whatever seasoning. It's basically an all-purpose seasoning. Yeah, I know it looked like I packed a lot on there because I did, y'all. The rib still came out good though. And then I added some Lori's seasoning salt. And then I'm going to add some garlic powder. And then I'm going to add some paprika. And then I also added some onion powder. And I also did add some Old Bay seasoning, y'all. Yes, I added a lot of seasoning on my ribs. So now I'm just rubbing it in, making sure I get it all inside of the rib, making sure that it's in so that you can taste the seasonings. And like I said, I'm going to do that to both sides. Oh, yeah. Watch how you moving, you can no longer fool me. Yeah, I didn't warn you, I didn't warn you, I didn't warn you twice. But you gon' do what you want to, and you won't do right. I didn't warn you, I didn't warn you, I didn't warn you twice. But you gon' do what you want to, and you won't do right. You play me, I've been waiting, I've been staying, you hate me. Don't know what you're doing. You mistreat and misuse me. Just watch. Okay, so now that I got both sides seasoned, I'm going to basically kind of like roll it up, but make sure the bones is like sticking outwards, if that makes sense. And I'm going to use some cooking twine to tie the ribs together so that they can like stay in the circular triangle. If you don't have twine, then I don't know what else you could possibly use to give it that shape. So that's basically what I'm doing to both of the ribs. You can get twine from, I guess, any cooking store also.
I done warned you, I done warned you, I done warned you twice. But you gon' do what you want to and you won't do right. I done warned you, I done warned you, I done warned you twice. But you gon' do what you want to and you won't do right. You play me. I've been waiting. I've been staying. You hate me. You don't know what you're doing. You mistreat and misuse me. Just watch how you moving. You can no longer fool me. Yeah, I done warned you. I done warned you. I done warned you twice. But you gon' do what you want to and you won't do right. I done warned you. I done warned you. I done warned you twice. But you gon' do what you want to and you won't do right. You play me. I've been waiting. I've been staying.
Okay, now I'm going to put it in the oven on 250 degrees for 2 whole hours.
Just watch how you moving. You can no longer fool me. Yeah, I done warned you. I done warned you. I done warned you twice.
Okay, so I took it out of the oven after the 2 hours. Now I'm going to put my barbecue sauce on. I actually kind of made that barbecue sauce because I had some Sweet Baby Ray's, but I felt like it was too thick for some reason. So I went ahead and made a little mixture of barbecue sauce out of the Sweet Baby Ray's and some lime juice and also some sugar and brown sugar. So I just went ahead and like spread it around and rubbed it around the whole rib. Also, guys, don't be like me and don't have a barbecue sauce brush. Make sure you have a barbecue sauce brush because that will make it way better to spread the barbecue sauce over the rib. Because look at me, I'm actually kind of struggling trying to really get the sauces around the rib with a spoon. But I got it done, so that's all that matters. I'm also adding another cooking twine around the rib so that it can stay in place. So because I'm going to put it right back in the oven for another hour on 475 degrees to bake for another hour. And I'm also putting it inside of aluminum foil. Okay, so now the ribs are done, and I also went ahead and I like garnished around my rib with some kale just to make it look kind of like pretty, nice presentation, I guess. But now I'm just adding my macaroni and cheese inside of the rib, and I'm just patting it down as much as I could, not too much because we don't need that much macaroni and cheese. Also, this is just a regular Velveeta cheese. I don't really mess with the elbow macaroni and cheese for some reason. I like the Velveeta cheese better. I just added extra cheese to it to make it even more cheesy. Okay, now I'm just going to basically kind of garnish it with some bacon on top. And that is basically the last of it, of the rib volcano.
But you gon' do what you want to and you won't do right. You play me. I've been waiting. I've been staying. You hate me. You don't know what you're doing. You mistreat and misuse me. Just watch how you moving. You can no longer fool me. Yeah, I done warned you. I done warned you. I done warned you.
Okay, now it's time to get to this strawberry pina colada daiquiri. Now I got my Mr. and Mrs. T's strawberry daiquiri and pina colada mix. I also have my ice with pineapples in it, and then I have my ice with strawberries in it, and I have my bottle of dusse. I'm going to add 1 shot into each container. I normally put about 2.5 shots, but I wasn't trying to get drunk tonight, so I only did 1 shot. So yeah, and I went ahead and I poured the shot inside of each container. Then I went ahead and I put some real puree coconut, cream of coconut inside of each container, and then I also added the strawberry daiquiri to the strawberries container, and then I add the pina colada mix to the pineapple container. And then we're gonna go ahead and I'm going to blend it all up.
Watch how you moving, you can no longer fool me. Yeah, I didn't warn you, I didn't warn you, I didn't warn you twice. What you gonna do, what you want to, and you wanna do right. I didn't warn you, I didn't warn you, I didn't warn you twice. What you gonna do, what you want to, and you wanna do right. You play me, I've been waiting, I've been staying, you hate me. Don't know what you're doing. You mistreat and misuse me. Just watch how you moving. You can no longer fool me. Yeah, I didn't warn you. I didn't warn you. I didn't warn you twice. What you gonna do?
And now I am all done with my rib volcano and my strawberry pina colada mixed with dusse. I thank you guys so much for staying to the end of this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you guys want to see any more cooking videos from me or drinking videos from me.